Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Chef. Today we're going to go over a nice quick and easy dessert or snack if you want. We'll be doing a dark chocolate bark. So if you follow me over to the cutting board, we can get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take our dried mango and we're going to cut that up with a pair of scissors. I tried a knife, it was just too sticky. After that, once it's done, let's place it back into the bowl and off to the side. Grab our dark chocolate chips and we're going to place those into a pot. Put your element on medium heat. And we're going to stir those for about 5 minutes until it is fully melted and glossy. Take that over to your prepared parchment and we're going to pour the whole thing on there. Once fully onto the parchment, spread this out evenly. We are going to want this to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. After that, we're going to take our dried mangoes and start spreading those out all over our chocolate, followed by our shredded unsweetened coconut, unsalted pumpkin seeds, and our toasted flaked almonds, garnished with flaky sea salt. Then we'll break it up into the biggest pieces you want and enjoy. If you guys enjoy my videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bearded Chef.